Okay. Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. And almost once a year I show you how to do oil change on this vehicle, so I don't have to do it all the time. So this time the maintenance light started flashing, and so it's not staged yet. It's not stable, but just flashing. And I see the oil is at 15% life remaining. And so let me go ahead and do the oil change. All right. So these are all the tools that we need to do the oil change. If you don't have some of them, that's fine. I have them, so that's okay too for me, and it's faster. But essentially, you will need the oil. So it's 020. Okay, that's for Honda. That's what Honda requires. That's a 2015 Honda Fit. And then and I have this oil filter. Okay, you have to know the size according to the vehicle. So, and I have this here I bought. That's to get the oil filter out of this car, and also to install this new one. Now, if you don't have this claw shape, you have a different kind, that's fine. But this is universal. Whatever the size, if it's made for cars, you see, yeah, this will fit. And I use this to remove the underlying plastic cover. Okay, that's underneath the vehicle. So you do this, and then one of these will fit to remove the oil plug, and I believe it's the middle one, but one of them. And this is just extra. The reason it's extra is so I can do the job faster. Okay, but if not, this is also good. You see, yeah, this is also good. This is just faster. Okay, all right. So essentially, all you need is these. Okay, minus that, and for safety reason, protective glasses. Okay, and gloves. So also importantly, yes, you need something to get the oil out to fall into. Okay, so far so good. Thank you. Okay. All right. So when you do oil change, it's best. I mean, that's the time to check everything possible. Okay. So this is for the windshield wiper. And so make sure it has enough. So it has enough fluid in there. And this is for the oil, and it is imperative, okay, that you open this up so air can get down and give you a better flow. And this is the radiator cap. Okay, you don't really mess with this, because there's that radiator reservoir here, and that's where you add your antifreeze. And when this is low, then it adds it's soft siphoned in here. And this is the brake fluid, and it is a seal system. It's fine. You don't have to add anything. Okay, and this one doesn't have a power steering pump. It has an electronic power steering pump, so there's no point that you cannot add the power steering to fluid to it. All right, so you can see this is the the cover. I removed it, and look at the underneath. It's bone dry. See, it's bone dry, really in good shape. So there's no leak so far. So far so good. And also it's best to inspect or everything else that can possibly go wrong in the car when you're down here. And what I'm going to do, I learned this over time. Remove the oil filter first. I will remove it first. It's because normally I used to take the empty the oil, but when you remove after that, the oil pan is heavy, and then once you remove after you remove the oil filter, and the oil is moving left to right, and then and it's not easy practical to move the oil pan when it's full. So when it's empty, then you can catch the oil that's coming out of the oil filter. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Yeah. There we go. It's coming loose. Okay. 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 Now you can do it with your hand, but make sure the pen is correct. Lift the pen up with one hand, yeah. So you won't. Yes, like that. Okay. Yeah. That's why I do it with the before I remove. I mean, I do it with an empty pen. So yeah, it comes easy. Okay, just like that. Just put it down. There we go. There we go. Good job. All right, so we applied a small amount of oil on the seal. Okay, we clean around the oil filter. This part here, not the oil filter, but that's where the oil filter is mounted. And so now we're ready to put it a brand new one. Okay, and then even if we have tools, but we have to do it by hand. We hand tied it so it can be straight, and after that we can use that device to tighten it a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, turn it. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, I will add it in. All right, so now it's time to remove the oil, and there's pressure in there. There's always a mess when I do this. Always a mess. Ooh, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, yeah. You can stop. Okay. All right. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right, so now I put the car level on the ground, and I use a Walmart brand, and it's not an advertisement, it's nothing. I'm not getting a car for this. And it takes three and a half, or yeah, close to four, but it doesn't take four. So we do this. So what you do is now you put 3 quarts, and then after that you start measuring. How you measure, meaning that you put it slowly, and then you check the gauge. All right. So we can get to it. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. So there we go. It is yeah, it's good. It's full. So, and this is it. All we do is and put the cap, if I can find it. Yeah. I said gauge earlier, but I meant dipstick. Well, luxury cars now they don't have dipsticks. They have the gauge inside. So, oil change. Is that a new video? Oil change. comes with the air filter. You always have to check your air filter, okay, for cleanliness or deadliness. No, cleanliness and dirtiness. I don't know if that's a word. But for this car, this is how it's done. It's very simple. It's very easy. You don't have to take the tires out to remove the air filter. Okay, here, and this is, I've changed it before. I've changed it already. And let me see. Okay, and let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. It's clean. It's clean. So we don't have to do anything except this. You see, nothing really bad came out, and we just go ahead and put it back. See, it's very simple. Very simple to do. Okay, very simple to do. Put it back and like this. Okay, and then like this. There we go. Where's the other one? Here, like this, and this one, like this. And now you see, don't let this fool you. That's for your finger. So it goes here, and then you push it like this, and this is it. So move back. Thank you very much for watching this, and you know how to do your own oil change. At the dealership, this would have been a $600 job, but I did it by myself. It didn't cost me much. Oil change, oil, and then the filter. I think it's under $25. I don't really count my time because I have the time to do it. I save a lot of money. Thanks for watching, and see you later.